What's going on YouTube? It's Wreck Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little maintenance video for the Honda Navies. I'm going to show you guys how I change the oil in them. I have not done the oil change in these two yet. This one has 444 miles on it. And this is my uncle's Honda Navi. I want to change his for him as well. His has 421 miles on it. Honda does recommend doing them around the 600 mark, but they do have some hard miles on them at 50 mile an hour plus, so we're gonna change them. I'm not gonna do the oil filter this time, or the screen they should call it. I'm just gonna do the straight up oil change because 400 miles is not really a whole lot, but I'm really picky about our things and make sure they last, so I'm gonna change them. Make sure everything's all good. So, start up by letting them both run for a minute, get them nice and warm. Turn the gas on. So I don't need the choke. There it goes. Choke off since I was 90 degrees outside. I already rode it today. But I'm going to let these run for a couple minutes here. Say 90 degrees and hot, waiting for the sun to go down. Got my oil supplies over there, and I am going to run Royal Purple 10W30. I got it up at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Honda does recommend 10W30, and I always ran Royal Purple on all my bikes, and it seems to be great. Product, it is a little pricey, but it is nice. So, I'm going to let these guys run for a few minutes, and we're going to start rinsing. Yep. Alright, we got both of the bikes warmed up. We're going to see how nasty this oil is at a little over 400 miles. Take the dipstick out. Motor's nice and hot. Put that there. Break the oil bolt loose. Should be around 800 milliliters in it. Not as bad as I thought it was. Next time I do this, I'm going to do a little screen for the filter. 400 miles isn't many, so I'm just going to let it sit for this time. Make sure I get everything out. Alright. Seems to be good. The oil bolt back in, make sure it's not stripped or anything, or the washer looks fine. This is a 12mm socket set. Alright, that's tight. We'll dump this in here. This out. Fresh bottle of Royal Purple. Doesn't help my driveway is not level. 800, pretty close. And grab this. I like using a kitchen measuring cup. It works the best, in my opinion. Don't want to go too fast because it will come out. Alright, that's done. Wipe this off. Wipe that off. Let it run for a sec and see where the oil level is on the dipstick. Make sure my hands are clean. Check this. Check it one more time. Make sure it's full. And it's on the full line. Good to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, check out my other scooter videos. I'm going to do this one here in a minute. Thanks for watching. See ya.